Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So if you're getting Roblox error code 288 with a message that says this server has shut down, there are a few things that you can try to resolve this error. First, you need to reconnect or leave the game that you joined and join its different server. In many cases, the server you're connected may have simply shut down or restarted by Roblox or the game developer. So next, make sure that the Roblox isn't experiencing a server outage by checking the official Roblox status page. You can go ahead and search for Roblox status page, hit enter on your keyboard, and then select the first website that appears in the search results and see if there is any outage in the server. You can also go to Down Detector and see if there is any problem with the Roblox official server. And if the Roblox servers are working normally, close the Roblox application completely from your device, restart your PC, and make sure that you're using the latest version of Roblox before launching the game again. Finally, try joining a different experience or the server. And if the error code 288 only happens in one game, the issue is most likely with that game server rather than your PC. And sometimes you can also try uninstalling it and then reinstall it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.